Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to open a BMO savings account. Opening a savings account with BMO is a straightforward process that can be completed online in just a few minutes, over the phone, or in person at a local branch. To open your account online, head to the official BMO website and navigate to their personal savings options, such as the Savings Builder account. Select the Open Online option to access the digital application form. You will need to provide standard personal information, including your full residential address, email address, phone number, and date of birth. You must also provide your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, along with proof of U.S. citizenship or resident alien status. Next, prepare your initial funding. Certain accounts, like the BMO Savings Builder, require a minimum opening deposit of $25. You can fund this initial deposit by providing the routing and account numbers from an existing external bank account, or by using your online banking login credentials from another financial institution. Once you complete the application and identity verification steps, submit your information, and your account will be active and ready for use. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.